30 years had passed, decades without rain. The once fertile plains of Fars had become as barren as the Lut-Salt Desert. A few arrow shots from Persepolis, the Kushans, bloodthirsty warriors from the east, were attacking Persia. Persian soldiers defended the land, no matter the cost. Ardashir resisted heroically, but his men fell one by one. Anahita summoned her remaining strength in battle. For Yuvishka, the Kushan general, victory was certain. Until history took a different turn. The 7 immortals were the best warriors in the kingdom. One of them would become a legend.
Onward, immortals!
Anahita!
Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Save Persepolis. I will go help my wounded warriors.
Let's go, Sargon. Be on your guard. It's the Rashomon!
None of you will leave here alive.
Hey! Who's having all the fun? When Alliance clear the path, follow me, Sargon! Rain of fire! Keep running, Sargon!
We must eliminate those Kushan archers.
Leave it to me! How many did you get? I'll get out of your way so you can catch up!
Don't let them get to General Vishka!
Watch out, Sargon! That general must not be far.
Let me handle him.
Take this. You might need it.
Vishka, you can't hide from me.
The Rashaba, was it? Your life ends here.
Not if yours ends first. For you.
The mighty Simurgh, protector of Persia, has long left. But should our enemies try to take advantage of the situation, they will soon find that the kingdom's bravest warriors will be their undoing. "30 years ago, the divine bird Simurgh graced my shoulder, thus showing his trust in me to guide our people. Today, I, Tomiris, Queen of Persia, praise your valor and loyalty, immortals. Varun, you and your forces have once again saved the kingdom.
Hassan, Prince of Persia!
Step forward, Sargon. Word of your deeds precedes you through the streets of Persepolis. Accept this royal sash as a token of our gratitude.
Sargon, the Rashaba, The Black Wind.
I didn't choose that name.
You need not worry. I do not attach any importance to the winds also carry. I am truly glad to meet you, Sargon.
Thank you, Prince Hassan.
Let us drop the honorifics. And may we get to know each other in less formal circles.
As you wish. Baron.
The others are probably not all warriors belong in the throne room. Join them, Sargon. I'll be up.
Long live the...
I'm proud of you, Sargon.
I defeated Yuvishka, and we saved Persepolis.
Did we? Thousands died on the battlefield. We're out of supplies. Persia is barely surviving. The Kashan was would you call that a victory?
I let my...
A warrior's journey is always... And when there's nothing left in one's path...
What is at the end of my...
Found an answer yet?
I won't figure that out tonight. Maybe a drink will help.
Thanks. You have what it takes.
I know.
I'm telling you, Prince. He took everything from his mom. That's...
Who's type?
Ah,
The hero, the queen.
so you're mingling with aristocracy now.
Or trading in your swords to become a satrap.
Laugh all you want. Who eliminated a general tonight, huh?
Don't encourage them, Sargon.
It just means you've impressed them.
Yeah, he's right. You were impressive.
If you want to talk more quietly. So, will you still remember?
I'm trying to stay humble. And find what is at the end of my blade.
Oh, sounds like Anahita set your head straight.
Sort of. In her own way.
You know, it is amazing. You should be proud of yourself.
One of our...
And you are the White Lion's pride.
Ragtag bunch of immortals. You have...
And with Sargon's bravery, that's another one for the history.
We made the city safe. The people are at peace again.
This is cute, but can we go celebrate? Our usual halls has food and drinks on the house. Barum,
I wouldn't miss it.
Varro! Prince Hassan has been kidnapped.
Kidnappers? They must still be in the palace.
Take the lead, Sargon. You may be the last to have spoken to. We must find Prince Hassan.
Anahita's guards. Anahita, what is this all about?
I wasn't planning on killing you, Sargon. Stay out of this.
Move out of my way. What the hell was that?
Still a child.
I'll find you, Hassan. That sword swinging wasn't just for flair. Anahita, what is going on?
Sargon, who was it? I thought I recognized Annie.
Yes, she is. Without a doubt.
Barum, gather your forces. You are to leave for Mount Karth at once in search of Prince Ardashir and his soldiers are already on the way. We
will not fail you, Your Majesty.
Bring him back.
The old citadel. Anahita took Prince Hassan beyond.
I can't fathom why.
Sargon, you know her best.
It doesn't make sense. She
wants to seize power for herself.
Oh.
The Simorg myth has always...
But what?
The gates to the...
She's lost. We can't be...
One thing...
Mortals.
Wait for me here.
Sacred of mountains.
Been here before?
No, but I've read about it. This place was once the site of King Darius's palace. Religion, medicine, astrology, geometry, algebra, all knowledge. And Kaf was home to a great citadel of wisdom, the pride of all Persia.
And? What happened?
No one survived to tell the tale. And to think that Prince... Who knows what might await us.
What is this sorcery?
I'm a warrior, not a seer.
Frozen? Is it full?
As if time had stopped.
Stay sharp. Prince Hassan can't be far now.
Something is not right here. We must proceed with caution.
Sure, man, Elias. You can scurry from shadow to shadow like frightened vermin.
I'm serious, Orod. There's a strange presence here.
I can feel it too. And there's only one way to find out.
Let's go then.
Barum, this is Azad, one of Ardashir's men.
Long dead, judging by the rot.
How is that possible? They left not long before us.
We are not welcome here.
Stay on your guard. We will find the Prince and Anahita.
We go east.
We don't go anywhere. You'll only slow me down. You're on your own.
What are you doing here? This place is too dangerous for a child.
Don't worry about me. I know the Citadel better than anyone. I know every step. I even go where others can't. I've chatted and argued with every creature, and I know every tree here.
Like this one. Are they all like this?
These trees are special. They're called Wak-Wak. They have the purest of Athra. So, stand beneath. There are many Wak-Wak trees throughout Mount Calf.
Tell me, we're in search of soldiers like us. Our prince is being led by an... Have you seen anyone like that?
A prince? There hasn't been a prince here in so long. Well, if you've lost your friend in Mount Calf, then you're going to need an Eye of the Wanderer.
What's that?
It's a very rare, very ancient thing. Go on. Here, I might as well show you a neat trick to remember places on Mount Calf.
Thank you. I don't...
My name is Farah.
I'm Sargon, warrior of the...
Oh, doesn't that sound impressive? Well, Sargon, I'm sure we'll meet again in Mount Calf. I'll share my discoveries with you when I can. But...
Time crystals?
But...
did tell me you found a path to Prince Hassan and Anahita.
No. Have you? It seems they avoided...
Only the most abominable creatures lurk in the darkest reaches. I do my best work in the shadows, and Hassan is not here.
Thanks for the warning.